So if you're new around here, you won't know, but this is my race car. And for the last year, I've been having some fun in it. But sometimes maybe too much fun. Whoops. But I think it's safe to say this engine has had its hammering. So obviously that's exactly why I'm here, to remove it by myself. Here's what we got up to, guys, in part 1. First, I removed a strengthening bar. After that, I attempted, and I say attempted quite strongly, to remove the radiator. Maybe get a bucket before you undo this top pipe. Then I removed literally everything else that needed to be out before removing the engine, except 2 things which I'm going to cover in today's video. So stay tuned, guys, as I remove this engine. I'm not ready. So then, guys, the first thing that we have to get on with is removing the drive shafts. And in order to do that, I need to remove the shock.
Are fading, leaves are changing. Summer's gone, but we're still dancing. Ooh yeah, sweater weather.
Now it was time to remove the oil.
Every corner. Ooh yeah, bonfire nights, starry lights. Hey, hey, crunching leaves, moon so bright. Come on, cozy blankets, hoodie season.
Now it's time to move back and remove the drive shafts. The oil is now drained and the drive shafts are now out on both sides. Now it's time to remove the top engine mount. Now, whilst my dad disconnects the gear linkage, I am on to removing the bottom engine mounts. And the last thing to do before we do remove the engine is to remove the fuel line to the engine. Now, will this engine actually come out? Oh, the past 2 weeks have been such a whirlwind. It's been such a learning curve for me. Maybe get a bucket before you undo this top pipe. And so, I've done it. The engine is now out. So yeah, the engine is out. It's from the car and on the floor now. And the next process is to get the car back on its wheels, wheel it down to my sponsor RGH Smart Repairs, and then we can start de-stickering all my letters, all my sponsors, literally everything on the car is going to get de-stickered, sanded down and get redone, and hopefully ready for the new season and the new graphics for the new season. And honestly, I can't wait. I'm so excited for the next couple of months on this channel. It's going to be so much fun. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And do you know what? Just before you go, I just want to thank you, because if you weren't watching my videos, you weren't enjoying my videos, I would have never ever attempted a task like this. So all I can say, guys, is thank you for watching today's video. And if you have clicked on the video and you want to wonder what the thumbnail is about, the thumbnail is showing me as I was 3 years ago, just knowing how to take a wheel off the car, taking off some bolts. Now I know how to pretty much take out an engine. I have done and I've learned so much in the past couple of weeks. I know my dad has helped me quite a lot along this way, and he's helped me basically take out the engine by myself, but he's done the stuff which I never would have ever attempted, and I would love to do the stuff which my dad is doing, but to be honest, I don't have the willpower and I don't have the strength to do what he does. So yeah, a big massive shout out to my dad. If you're watching this, you're probably watching this. So then guys, if you've made it this far, you're probably enjoying today's video. So all I can say is thank you. And if you haven't already, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, guys. And I want to say a massive thank you to all my sponsors, all my supporters. And I will catch you up next week for a new video, guys. In my hand, by the way.
Get it.
Easy.